everybody. Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Welcome back, Ryan. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Hello, everyone.
And Ryan, we talk probably every day, every other day, depends on how many transactions we're working on
A few
together.
times a day, sometimes. Yeah, depends.
And you were telling me the other day about a very new and exciting loan program that Waterstone Mortgage is offering to clients. So tell us all about it, sir.
Yeah, this just came out. So this is the first time I'm really talking about it publicly. I'm really excited about it. The majority of the buyers that we work with are first-time home buyers, and the most requested program is down payment assistance for them. The problem is with the local down payment assistance programs is the rates are high. They're usually 1.5% higher than if you put your own money down. And on top of that, if you sell your house or you refinance within 3 years, you owe some of that money back. So they're not perfect programs, really. But at Waterstone, we rolled out a much more competitive zero down program. It's called the Powerhouse 100. It did. I knew you were going to flex when I said that. The Powerhouse. We like that. So, just some highlights really of this program. Again, it's no down payment, 100% financing. And one of the great benefits of this program is there's no income limits. A lot of the local grant programs, they do have income limits, but this one does not. You could get up to $726,000 loan amount. You just need a 720 credit score, and they like to see 1% of your own funds either as paying for closing costs or in reserves, actually, because we like to see some reserves in your account. But that's really kind of the main things with the program. It's a 5-year arm, so it's still a 30-year term, but for 5 years, the rate's fixed, and it's a very competitive interest rate, especially compared to the grant programs. So the goal really is to get you into the home, zero down, get you a great rate, a good payment. And then, of course, when rates drop, which we are predicting they will, within the next year or two, we could do a refinance and get you into a 30-year fixed rate. So great program, really excited about it. If any of you are looking to buy, wanting to get in something with 0% down, call me, let me know, and happy to see if we could qualify you for this great program.
That is a fantastic program, Ryan.
Yeah.
Really exciting for our clients. And like Ryan said, definitely reach out and we'll answer any of your questions you may have on this. And we're really excited. So thank you, Ryan, as always.
Thank you.
You guys have a wonderful week, and we will see you next Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.